Hello all viewers, I hope you all are doing great. So in this video we are going to learn about the fonts. So how we can change the fonts, we can customize the font size, right? And there are multiple ways to add the custom font. Like if you have Google fonts, then we can just select the Google fonts. If you want your own fonts in different format like TTF, zip file, then also you can load, right? So here let's say if we open, this is the website, and let's say if this is if we go to contact us page, and let's say if I click on edit, so this edit button from website edit, right? So then we go to theme, and here you can see this is the paragraph, heading, button, right? So everywhere we have like a specific fonts. So let's say if for the paragraph we have this font family, right? This is default in Odoo. So here we need to click add a custom font, and here we can select from the Google fonts. If I select this, you can see the preview of this font, how it looks, right? Also if you have uh, any custom files, font file, let's say GIF, TTF, WOFF, WOFF2, OTF, right? Then also we can import. So let's say I will import any custom font file. You can see how it looks, and I uh, click on 7 reload. You can see how it looks, this fonts, right? So we can load font anywhere, right? I just set back to system font. We can also set font anywhere here. It's already imported, so we can use anywhere for the button, heading, paragraph, right? So I hope this video will helpful to you to set different types of fonts in website. Thank you so much.